on, Frank.
I'm out here somewhere by Cerrillos picking up a customer, and look at this. So this is a, what?
African spur-thighed tortoise.
You heard that, I hope.
Yes. Frankie, come
So
here.
this is,
Come here. Frank?
so what, you're tracking it? Is that why?
Well, that's because he gets lost.
Oh my
and
God,
So we have
he's
a
got an
receiver.
antenna.
Yeah. Come on,
Frankie!
Frank.
So he weighs over 100 pounds?
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay, I'm going to put this on YouTube and then let my friend Casey watch this.
Oh, good. Come on, Frank.
Oh my God, this is...
But isn't he? He's so bizarre looking that I love him so much.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Come here, baby. Come say hi. He's pretty friendly, too,
Oh my God.
for a tortoise.
This is wonderful. I have to... Okay.
But isn't he prehistoric looking? Isn't he so
Totally.
weird?
Do you know how old he is?
Yeah, he's 16.
Wow.
See, we have our telephone number on it.
Oh my God.
Because he turns up missing.
Very funny.
But the reason why he's called the spur-thighed tortoise, if you come over this end, see his spiky butt?
I do!
That's why they call him spur-thighed.
Oh my God, that's a big freaking animal.